What's up, car lovers out there? And what is the one thing you have to do every single year that's not your taxes? And that is waxing your car. So today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to apply a wax to your car that is ceramic based that will last you at least a year or more. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is wash the vehicle. It's already been done on this. It's pretty self-explanatory. You want to remove the dust, dirt, contaminants. We don't want to apply a wax to a dirty vehicle for obvious reasons. And next we want to do is do a clay bar. So even though you wash the car, it could be clean, you still have embedded contaminants on the paint. Those contaminants are getting in the way of the wax from adhering to it. You want to make sure it's as clean as possible. So we're going to do that by using our Pro Shine as a clay lubricant. Do a small section here, and with our Ethos clay bar, we're going to remove the contaminants very gently. You do this by kneading the clay bar into a smooth little brick. Spray some Pro Shine on there as a lubricant. And we're going to go back and forth motions. This is going to pick up all the embedded contaminants that didn't come out in our wash process. It's important to do this step because there's a lot of contaminants that you cannot see on the surface when you wash the car. These are stuck on there that'll get in the way of adhering the car wax to the surface. Going to take our towel here and wipe off any Pro Shine residue. And already you can just feel how much smoother their surface is going to be. It shouldn't feel rough to the touch anymore. It's already be a little bit more shiny as well too. I'm going to put this stuff off to the side. We're done using it. All right, so now that the car's been clay barred, the next step is not mandatory, but we do recommend it. Basically, any clay lube you use, whether it's a soap, it's our Pro Shine, or it's any dedicated clay lubricant, it's going to leave some residue on the surface. You want to make sure the surface is as clean as possible. So we're going to use our detox spray. Now our detox was made specifically to prep the surface of the vehicle prior to any form of protection, whether that's a wax, a ceramic coating, a graphene coating. This is going to remove any oils from your polishing steps, from your clay steps or washing steps, and make sure you're getting the optimal bond of the protection. So this is simple. You just simply spray on the surface here, take a microfiber towel, and we're just going to wipe away this cleaner. This is alcohol based. Actually smells pretty good, and this is going to remove any waxes, any sealant residues, polishes, anything from the surface that's left behind. All right, and now for the fun part, and that's applying our wax. So the wax we're using today is our Ethos Ceramic Wax Pro. Now this is a ceramic based wax, so unlike your normal carnauba wax or a sealant, this is going to give you extremely durable protection up to a year. So we are going to apply this. It applies just like a wax. We're going to make sure it's shaken up really well, so the ingredients in there are mixed together. We're going to grab our foam applicator pad and apply a couple small dots of wax to the applicator. A little bit goes a long ways. You don't want to apply a ton of wax on the surface because you're going to get a big smeary mess. What I like to do is actually fold the applicator, squish it up there just like that. You're basically going to help spread and actually create a little butterfly. Isn't that cute? We're gonna help spread the wax on the applicator so it gets a nice even coverage. We're gonna go back and forth. You can go circular motions if you want, but the goal here is just to apply a very thin layer. You don't want to apply it thick. Once again, thick layers are just make it a lot harder for you to remove. We're gonna go back and forth, covering this section that we cleaned and clay barred. Apply a little bit more when we need to on the applicator. Just like that. Inspect our work from different angles. Everything looks good. And now we're going to complete these steps across the entire vehicle before we do wipe it off. It typically take you about 15 to 20 minutes to apply this to the whole vehicle. You want to actually avoid getting any on emblems or trim. Since it is a wax base, you could leave some residue behind. If it does get on the trim, not the end of the world. Just clean it off before it dries. And once this is done on the whole vehicle, we're going to go ahead and let it cure for about 20 to 30 minutes. And we're going to come by with our microfiber towel and wipe off the residue and check the results. So now that the wax has been applied, we're going to wipe it off. Now, one good indicator to make sure the wax is ready to wipe off is take your finger and just lightly wipe the wax. And if it wipes away smoothly without smearing, it's ready to remove. So it does look ready to remove in this case. So we're going to take our microfiber towel here, and we're just very lightly going to buff away the wax. And you'll notice a little bit of resistance on the first wipe. But after that, after it gets leveled, you're going to be left behind with a really high shine and a very slick finish. It's going to make your blacks deeper, it's gonna make your reds redder, it's gonna make your colors pop, as well as obviously give you that protection you're looking for. Simple as that. You can check your results, make sure I didn't miss any. I can see I did miss a little spot right here. So I'm gonna grab my towel and just wipe it off. You can go ahead and apply a second coat of wax if you want even more protection, but one coat will be just fine. And now since this is ceramic treated, you're protected for many, many months against water spots, debris. It's gonna make car washing a lot easier for you guys. So that's the steps. It's very simple. We cleaned it, we clayed it, we prepped it with detox, and we applied the wax to the vehicle. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos and look forward to hearing from you. If any comments or questions, leave them below, and make sure you're subscribed for more videos like this in the future to show you simple and easy car care steps and DIYs to better enhance your car care process. So my name is Tim, and thanks for watching.